That looks like a TPS. This is a Toyota TPS, and I'm going to attempt to undo the jigsaw puzzle. So they have a connector. Woo. The connector's normally got wires attached. There it is. Normally got some wires attached that go to the plate that's inside. We have this cover. So I'm going to remove this cover. And we have... Oh, I get in trouble for throwing stuff. You do realise that this TPS is stuffed because I've cut it to pieces to remove that, eh? I'm not going to break it because I've cut that to bits with a hacksaw. Okay, then we're going to remove this. There's a piece of rubber. And we've got this disc here. And that's got these contacts on it. And I've marked them up because it was all backwards. So we got... let's put that down here. And of course, let's have a look inside. If we've got this bit, we've got these two contacts here and two contacts here. And if I go underneath, whee, it turns. Right. So in here we've got 5 volts voltage control. And we've got VTA 1. That's your TPS signal. You've got your idle switch and your earth. Idle switch is always beside the earth, so that's how I can tell what it is. So you can see here this contact, these contacts as they move, when they come down to rest, the two contacts will touch on those, and that will give an earth to the idle switch. And then the contacts move around these, and these are resistors. Okay, so, and it will change the amount of voltage that can be supplied to the ECU on VTA, or VTA 1. It might be the sub-TPS, so it'll be VTA 2, but it's voltage throttle assembly. That's your TPS switch. So pretty simple. These little contacts, those ones, go around here, and of course the whatever voltage is resulting from it being in whatever position will give our voltage off to the ECU. There we go. Toyota TPS. That's how it works.